Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to the course that teaches the only way to learn data analytics. Start with fundamentals: Excel, SQL, statistics, and data visualization techniques. Dedicate structured time. Practice 5 hours weekly for 3 months minimum. Follow a roadmap: concepts, tools, projects, and communication skills in order. Work on progressively harder datasets starting at 1,000 rows and scaling to 100,000 rows. Measure progress with quizzes, project reviews, and weekly mentor feedback sessions. By the end, you will synthesize insights and present results confidently to stakeholders. Master a core toolset: Python with Pandas, Matplotlib, and scikit-learn for analysis and modeling. Use SQL for querying relational databases and practice joins on real tables. Create dashboards with Tableau or Power BI to communicate findings visually. Learn Git and GitHub to version code and manage collaboration efficiently. Structure your practice around 10 real projects that solve measurable problems and include reproducible code. Timebox each project to 2 to 4 weeks to simulate real delivery cycles. Keep notebooks, README files, and clean datasets for future reuse. Publish a portfolio that highlights 10 projects with clear problem statements and measurable outcomes. For each project, include data size, methods used, and final visualizations for quick review. Prepare for interviews by explaining your trade-offs, choices, and model performance metrics in simple language. Practice whiteboard explanations and live coding for at least 5 mock interviews. Network with peers and mentors to get feedback and potential referrals monthly. Continue learning with advanced courses, new libraries, and domain learning to stay current. Treat this path as iterative and refine projects based.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.